Yeah, this is a video that shows some sample clips that I've taken with this real small camcorder, the DV136. Really cheap, but you can do amazing things with it because if you know what to do. Now here I am. I added a little bit to show what the daylight filter does because I have some ocean scenes that I show a little later, and they're too blue, and I forgot to change them into from indoor fluorescent to the daylight view. But we have some 3 DVD lesson manuals that tell you how to do it. 46 lessons that come with this DV136 camcorder. Show you how to make movies and videos with a cheap camcorder.
There's Diamond Head. This is Hawaii, people. There's my good buddy Don. Well, his boat anyway. Well, in just a minute I'm going to go for a sail in my little dinghy here. Yeah, I got my little sailing dinghy. We'll go over to Slipper Island, I guess. There's the rest of Oahu. And there's Slipper Island. The airport's behind there. Honolulu International Airport. We'll go over there. So here we are on Slipper Island. So here we are sailing along. It's my buddy Tobias' boat over there, although he sold it a long time ago. Just sailing along. Nice day here. Okay, you can see it works good indoors. Not only outdoors, but indoors too.
Here's our little shop where we get packages in and out, and we mail out stuff to eBay. We sell a lot of stuff on eBay and Amazon. And we're going to be selling this video camera. Now the video cameras are super cheap, but ours comes with a special educational program, 3 DVD videos, over 4 hours of instruction of how to make videos and movies using cheap camcorders and home-built equipment. So you can be a movie maker. All you have to do is buy our complete kit, our video camera, this camcorder right here, and our 3 DVDs with 46 different lessons. Tell you everything, how to adjust lighting, how to adjust all the various settings on inexpensive camcorders, how to set up scenes, how to write scripts, everything you need to know. A complete movie making manual on DVD. It's easy to learn with DVD. It will tell you how to overcome lighting problems, particularly the sound, how to improve sound quality, because a cheap camera like this doesn't have good sound, but there's ways to add good sound. I'm coming through loud and clear, aren't I? And not only that, but it shows all the various scenes and how to edit and how to add special effects, everything in these 3 DVDs.